iPhone X.Matrix external cable replacement operation. This is an iPhone X that can't use Face ID. Turn off the phone and remove the front camera. Take out the Lubin L3 repair instrument. Plug in .Matrix activation expansion board. Will automatically jump to the relevant page. Attach the front camera to the expansion board. Detection display fused L air. Click to activate. It can only be activated in the fused state. Activation successful. Detection display XL OK. Take out .Matrix external cable. Click right. Click OK to right. Detection display right cert success. Detection display exists data. Click to view the installation tutorial. Install the cable to the front camera. Install the front camera back on the phone. Face ID has been successfully repaired.